In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add a product image on Podia. By the end, you'll know exactly where to go, what to click, and how to choose an image that looks great across your storefront and product pages. Start by opening your browser and heading to your Podia dashboard. If you're not already signed in, log in so you land on the main dashboard screen. This is your home base where you can access everything related to your products. From the dashboard, look for the products section in the main navigation and click it. This takes you to a list of all the products in your account. Take a moment to locate the one you want to update. If you have many, you can scan by title or use any available filters to find it quickly. Once you've found the product you want to adjust, click into it and choose Edit. This opens the product editor where you manage the content, pricing, and visual details that your customers see. We're going to focus on the image you'll feature on the product card and product page. Inside the editor, go to the Details tab. Here, look for the image field. You have two options: upload a new file directly from your computer, or pick an existing file from your media library if you've already uploaded it before. For best results, use a clear, high-quality JPG or PNG with good lighting and minimal clutter. Podia will accept various sizes, but a 900 by 630 pixel image is recommended so it displays cleanly in different areas of the app without awkward cropping. Try to maintain a consistent aspect ratio across your products to keep your storefront looking polished. If your image is large, consider compressing it slightly so it loads quickly while still looking sharp. Descriptive file names can also help you stay organized in the media library. After you upload or select your image, give it a quick check. Make sure key details aren't cut off at the edges and that the subject is centered or aligned the way you want. If the image doesn't look right, you can replace it immediately from the same field. When you're happy, save your changes before navigating away so the new image is applied to your product. That's all you need to do. Head back to your product list or storefront to confirm the image shows as expected. If you ever want to experiment with different looks, you can come back to the Details tab and swap images anytime. Thanks for watching, and happy building on Podia.